Welcome students to GS Maths once again. Today I am going to wind up the chapter of coordinate geometry from 10th standard. Last topic left was area of triangle with vertices given to us. But hope that you have watched my previous lectures on this chapter of coordinate geometry. Now last topic is area of the triangle with vertices given to us. How we find the area of the triangle? Let me draw a triangle ABC. A vertex is x1, y1, B vertex is x2, y2, and C vertex is x3, y3. The area of this triangle is half times this x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Why I put up this modulus? Because sometimes the value of this expression comes out to be negative, but the area of triangle cannot be negative, so it will be taken as a positive numeric value, that is half times this value. This is area of the triangle ABC with vertices given to us. Now one more thing I discussed in my last video, that is in my last lecture, is key the points are collinear, means A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means they lie on one straight line, single straight line, A, B and C. Now what happens? They are collinear if area triangle ABC is equal to 0. This is a condition for the 3 points to lie on a single straight line, that is A, B, C, they lie on a straight line. So area of the triangle ABC must be equal to 0. In my first lecture, distance formula, I used distance formula also to prove they are collinear by calculating AB then BC. AB plus BC must be equal to AC. That was when I used the distance formula. Now I am using area of the triangle concept. So area of triangle ABC must be equal to 0, therefore ABC are collinear. Now we will do few more questions on this topic, area of the triangle and the points to be collinear. Now question number 1. But I hope and I expect you have revised the previous topics of this chapter coordinate geometry, that is distance formula, section formula and midpoint formula also, right? Then now question number 1, I will do first find out the area of the triangle with vertices A as 2, 7, vertex A as 2, 7, B vertex is 3, minus 1 and C vertex is minus 5, 6. I have to find area of this triangle. So this is my x1, y1, x2, y2, it's x3, y3. I want to calculate its area. So area of triangle ABC, is half, right, x1. And let me write the formula first. Y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. This is half. What is x1? x1 is 2. What is y2? Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 plus what is x2? 3. y3 6 minus 7 minus 1 plus what is x3? Minus 5 and y1 minus y2, 7 minus or minus 1, that is 7 plus 1, it becomes 8. Now half minus 14 minus 3 minus 40, half, it is minus 17 and it's minus 57. I told you कि if this numeric value comes out to be negative, since area of the triangle or area of any figure can never be negative. So I take out the positive value, that is half times 57. That is 28.5 square units. This is the answer. That is area of the triangle ABC with these vertices is 28.5 square units. Now, second question. This was question number 1. How to find the area of the triangle ABC when the three vertices are given to us. Now, next question is, say, find the value of k. I am doing write your questions for you so that you are not to face any difficulty while solving the problems. Find the values of k. I need the value of k so that area of the triangle with vertices, the vertices are given to us, that is 1, minus 1, then minus 4, 2k, then minus k minus 5 is 24 square units. 24 square units. Now area of the triangle ABC is given to us as 24 square units. Now I want to find out the value of the unknown, that is k. Apply the formula directly. That is, this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now again applying the same formula, half times area of this triangle, half times x1, y2, 2k plus 5, 2k plus 5 plus x2 is minus 4, then y3 minus this, that is minus 5 plus 1, minus 4 plus minus k, then minus 1 minus 2k, minus 1 minus 2k, right? Now this comes out to be half. This is 2k plus 5 plus 16 plus k, open these brackets, then plus 2k square, half. This is 2k square plus 3k plus 21. This is area of the triangle ABC, but area of the triangle ABC is given as how much? 24. So equate this equal to 24. Or 2k square plus 3k plus 21 is equal to 2 into 24 is 48. Right? Now, area of the triangle, when we calculated, this value came out to be negative in the last question. In the previous question, this was say minus 57. It was minus 57. We took out a positive sign, that is area of triangle cannot be negative. Now the area of triangle is already given to you as positive, but this k can be negative, it can be positive. So what we have to do is, there are two equations. First one is 2k square plus 3k plus 21 equals to 48, a positive sign as it is, or 2k square plus 3k plus 21 equals to minus 48. Now 2k square plus 3k minus 21 minus 48, that is 7 and 2, 27 equals to 0. And 2k square plus 3k, 21 plus 48, 9 and 6, 69 equals to 0. We will solve these two equations to get the value of k by either splitting the middle term or using the quadratic formula of the chapter quadratic equations. Now here the answers are given as, say, k equals to 3 and k equals to minus 9 by 2. This value when you solve, I get the answers. Use quadratic formula. Say this is the formula, k equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square 9 minus 4ac, a 4 2s are 8, 8 into minus 27, that is 27, 56, 16 and 5, 216, minus minus becomes plus, 216, divided by 2 into a, that is 4, minus 3 plus minus under root of 216, that is 225 divided by 4. So I get the answer as k equals to minus 3 plus minus under root of 225 is 15 divided by 2, minus 3 minus 15, that is minus of 18 by 2, that is minus 9, minus 3 minus 15, I have taken a negative sign first, then k is equal to minus 3 plus 15, that is 12 by 2, it is equal to 6. These are the values of k, minus 9 and positive 6. I can simply solve this also. Say k equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac upon 2a, that is 2 into 2. But this discriminant is negative, so this case is rejected. We reject this case. Why? Because it will give us imaginary values. The discriminant is negative. B square minus 4ac will be negative. So we take this condition only. K is equal to minus 9. After taking the negative sign, minus 3 minus 15 is minus 18. Minus 18 divided by 2, it's minus 9. And minus 3 plus 15, that is 12 by 2 is 6. So I get the two values, k as minus 9 or k as positive 6. This is the way how we find a given parameter unknown, that is k, when area of the triangle was given to us. We use the same formula of area of triangle, but this value was given equal to 24. Now I took a positive and a negative sign. Why? Because k can be positive, k can be negative. Area is positive. I have taken area as positive. Area will always be positive, it won't be negative. It is not possible to have area of any figure negative. So I took positive sign first, I took negative sign first, solved this. Here b square minus 4ac discriminant was less than 0. So in this case is rejected. But when we solved this equation, I got the values of k as minus 9 and 6. Hope you have understood the concept. On your part, you are also to try as many sums as you can, so that there is no confusion, there is no doubts, right? Here I am trying to do as many sums as possible for you, but the last effort depends upon you. Now, the next question is, yes, show that the points are a point are minus 1, 1, b point is 5, 7, and c point is 8, 10. They are collinear. I have to prove that they are collinear. Are collinear. Now what I told you, कि triangle ABC must be equal to 0. That is area of triangle ABC. Area triangle ABC must be equal to 0. Apply it. If it is 0, then the points are collinear. If it is not 0, then the points are not collinear. Now find the area of the triangle directly. Half x1. This is your x1. y2 minus this y3. I get 7 minus 10 as minus 3 plus x2. This is 5. Then 10 minus 1, 9 plus 8. 1 minus 7 minus 6. It is half 3 plus 45 minus 48. I get half 48 minus 48, that is equal to simply 0. If area of the triangle is equal to 0, then we say the points A, B, C are collinear, right? This is the concept. First, we can use the distance formula AB plus BC is equal to AC. But here I've used area of the triangle concept. If area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, it is 0, then we say the points are collinear. Now, next question. Again, how to find the value of unknown K or any other unknown when it is given the 3 points are collinear. Now, question is this. Find the value of K. Find the value of K for which the points are A, K plus 1, comma 2K, B point is 3K, comma 2K plus 3, and C point is 5K minus 1, comma 5K. 5K minus 1, comma 5K. They are collinear, it's given. Find K for which the points are collinear. It is given to us they are collinear, which means if I draw a triangle ABC with these vertices, its area is equal to 0. This is given to us. They are collinear. This is given. Now I will apply that condition. The half times x1, y2 minus y3, 2k minus 5k, minus 3k plus 3. Right? Then, let me write in simple brackets now. This thing. Plus x2 is 3k. Then y3, 5k minus of 2k. That is again 3k. Next is plus 5k minus 1, 5k minus 1, x3, it's y1 minus y2, 2k minus 2k cancels, minus 3 is left, minus 3, like this. This is given equal to 0. This is given to us because the 3 points are collinear. It's already given to us. Now the 2 goes over there, it becomes 0. That is, now open the brackets, minus 3k square plus 3k minus 3k cancels, plus 3 is left, plus 9k square minus 15k plus 3, this is equal to 0, or 9k minus 3k square, 9k square minus 3k square is 6k square minus 15k plus 6, this is equal to 0. Now 3 is common throughout, that is 2k square minus 5k plus 2 equals to 0. Just solve this equation. I need 2 2s of 4, that is 2k square minus 4k minus k plus 2 equals to 0. I have split the middle term, right? 2k is common, that is k minus 2, minus 1 is common, k minus 2 equals to 0. Now 2k minus 1 factor and k minus 2 is the second factor. This is equal to 0. From there I can get k equals to half and k equals to 2. Condition given was the points are collinear. I wanted to find the value of k. So I applied the same condition, that half times this, that is area of triangle formed by these points A, B, C is equal to 0. This is given to us. Now just opened, solved it. I got two values of k, that is k equals to half and k equals to 2. Now this finishes off my chapter coordinate geometry of class 10th, right? And I hope you go through my videos, you solve as many sums as you can from your book, and just enhance your knowledge on this topic of coordinate geometry. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel GS Maths. Have a nice day.